Now on midday, a Utah man accused of sexually abusing an 8-year-old girl was back in court today. Sean's son used to be a primary teacher with the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
The alleged incident happened at Son's home in West Jordan. News 4 Utah's Brittany Johnson was at today's hearing. And Brittany, what happened?
Well, Emily, today's hearing was very quick. It was basically held just to get things in order and ready for an upcoming preliminary hearing. But before I go any further about today's hearing, I do want to start and give you guys some background information on this case. Now, an 8-year-old girl alleges that Sean's son sexually abused her while having a sleepover at his home with kids from his church. Now, police say Son would regularly have children from his branch made up of members from the Marshall Islands, where he served an LDS mission, sleep over. Now, the state is saying that Son, quote, made a haven for these children at his home for sleepovers, that the kids would, quote, bathe in front of him. But Sam's attorney says multiple witnesses are coming forward to defend him. Now, today in court, dressed in a blue suit, Son was present at the scheduling hearing. He sat quietly while his defense attorney submitted 2 motions for discovery. One of the motions submitted had to do with the way things are being worded. The defense wants the term alleged victim to be used instead of victim, and for the word victims not to be used, since there's only one victim in this case. The defense is also asking for police reports and information from the prosecution, particularly about a presentation made at an elementary school where a video about Utah child abuse was shown. Now, according to the defense, detectives have planted the idea in the alleged victim that there was some sort of abuse.
It's a technique that isn't allowed, and it's a technique that isn't valid, and it leads to false confessions or, false reports.
We simply litigate in the courts and not here in the hallway, so we'll put on our evidence when we do put on our evidence, and that's when we can discuss it.
Now, the next hearing in this case is scheduled for September 12th. Reporting live from West Jordan, I'm Brittany Johnson, News 4 Utah.